My name is Brad Olch, and I am from Park City, Utah. And I first came in touch with Better Moments on the Hasselblad website, outlining some of their trips. And then I saw this one to Namibia, which focused on landscapes and night photography, and that piqued my interest. So signed up. Here I am. I've been here for 5 days. And it's really exceeded my expectations. Dealing with Hasselblad cameras are always complicated in the best of situations, and the help that I've gotten from Tom and Anders has been just terrific. I learn a lot every day. The people have been just wonderful, interesting. I'm one of 2 North Americans, the rest are all European. So from that perspective, it's been very, very interesting. And I guess the thing that I would say is it's been such an enjoyable trip that I would absolutely consider doing it again. So right now we're in outside Lüderitz in Namibia, and we're in the older part of an abandoned gold mine in this room that's part of the old bakery. So it's fascinating to be able to go through all these old buildings that have been abandoned and with sand rushing through them, and spending a day taking photographs. So that's been just wonderful. I did a helicopter trip. I did a plane trip over all the dunes out to the Skeleton Coast and then back at sunset, which was just a fabulous trip. Flying in the helicopter again over the dunes. Gosh, with the doors open and trying to take photographs, wonderful experience again. All in all, this has been great. And like I said earlier, be seriously considering doing another trip with Better Moments. So as you can see behind me, these are the old abandoned buildings from the diamond industry, the diamond mine. And there's still an active diamond mine here. It's further down the road. Also, you can see that the desert has kind of blown in and in a lot of cases filled up a lot of the rooms in all of these abandoned buildings. And with the sand here and the sand in the dunes earlier in the trip, I probably will never look at sand the same way. But again, fabulous trip. What a great experience. And, I'll definitely consider coming back and doing another trip with Better Moments.